Hey guys, welcome to the taletellerclub and a free ringtone. For the house fans, this one, tech house, bit of tech house. I'm in that mood, I hope you are too. Remember, these are free. No royalty restrictions whatsoever. You can download, resell, sample, do whatever you want. Just store them, put them in a file. Have them so that you've got them there, and when you're putting stuff together you can just drag and drop into your audio file, your audio tracks on Logic Pro. So I use Logic Pro to make all my loops, and I've got 1,000 because I'm big on ringtones here at the Ringtone Factory. Enjoy!